Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by Mammee and we're giving you an update on the CHEC Roaring River development. Now on the right is phase one of the development where you're going to have some massive residential units. But on the left, CHEC has recently started working on this section. They put up the zinc fence and have started to clear the land. Now, CHEC was given 740 acres of land. I didn't realize it went all the way to the sea, to the coast. But this is part of the land that CHEC was given. Now, this section that we're looking at, this is where they're going to be building the commercial section, plazas, offices, retail stores, commercial buildings. Now, the land that was given, the agreement with CHEC, also allows them to build hotels on the property. So I'm not sure if they're going to be putting hotels on this side as well, but this is prime oceanfront real estate. So we'll keep you guys updated. But the plan now is to put the commercial section for the residential section on this side that we're looking at now. So the other side will have the majority of the homes, apartments, etc. And then this side would have the commercial plazas and office space, those kind of things. So we are going to give you an update on what's happening here. The China Harbour Engineering Company, CHEC, is carrying out a major development project at Roaring River in the community of Mammee Bay. This large project is transforming hundreds of acres of land into a modern residential community with supporting infrastructure and commercial facilities. The development is located close to Ocherios and near the North-South Highway, Highway 2000 Jamaica, making it an important new growth area along Jamaica's north coast. And sometimes we have referred to this development as building a mini city because it's going to have everything you need. The project forms part of a wider arrangement connected to the construction of the highway, where CHEC received land for the development. The company is now using this land to create a master planned community or mini city that will provide new housing and economic opportunities in the parish of St. Anne. The Roaring River property covers roughly 740 acres, making it one of the largest residential developments currently underway in Jamaica. A major feature of the project is the construction of more than 800 housing units. These homes will include a mix of detached houses, townhouses, and apartment buildings. The development is expected to accommodate around 4,000 residents when completed. The houses are being built in phases, with the first phase already underway. Construction will continue in phases over several years until the entire community is completed around the end of the decade. On the inland side of the road, closer to the hills and the Roaring River watershed, most of the residential communities are being developed. This area will contain neighborhood clusters connected by internal roads, landscape parks, and walking trails. The design of the community aims to follow the natural landscape, allowing homes to be built along the slopes while preserving large sections of green space. On the other side of the road, closer to the highway and the coastal corridor, the master plan includes commercial and service areas. The areas may include shops, small plazas, and community facilities that will serve residents living in the development. This arrangement will allow people living in the community to access services nearby without needing to travel far. Another important aspect of the project is the construction of supporting infrastructure. CHEC is installing roads, drainage systems, water supply networks, electricity lines, and a sewage treatment plant to support the new community. These infrastructure improvements are necessary to ensure the development functions as a modern and sustainable residential area. In conclusion, the Roaring River development by China Harbour Engineering Company represents a major transformation of land in Mammee Bay, St. Anne. By including hundreds of homes, commercial facilities, and modern infrastructure, the project aims to create a new residential community along Jamaica's north coast. When completed, it is expected to contribute to housing supply, economic growth, and the continued development of the region surrounding Ocho Rios. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below, and we will keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, have a good day.